One aspect that students in India often worry about is this notion around backlogs and its impact in their pursuit of a US education. The reason why backlogs are such a bane is because when you think about what a backlog is, you've had to repeat a course. And you don't find American students repeating a lot of courses. You may have students repeating a course or maybe two, but that's the extent of it. But in India, that's not the case. It's quite common to have a backlog, and it's quite common to have several backlogs. So when you translate that, someone's got 6 or 7 courses they've had to repeat. That just shows that they may not be a very strong academic student. So when we think about impact of backlogs, now a seasoned university that has received a lot of applications from a country like India may be immune to that, and so they would discount the fact that you've had a lot of backlogs. Some universities may not take it lightly. They may really hold a student accountable for that. More than likely, your backlogs don't impact your admission. There's going to be universities in your reach and your safe bets. Possibly your aspirational universities may take issue with the backlogs, but hopefully the other two categories shouldn't. Now, having said all that, your backlogs will absolutely make an impact in your visa interview. And this is, again, something I've spelled out in my visa course. What a visa officer is looking for is academic preparedness through the lens of an American education and an American standard. Students don't really have 6 or 7 backlogs. Visa officers are now trying to down-select and filter out students who appear to be not an academically credible student. So your backlogs may have an impact in your visa considerations more so than your admission considerations. So that's really helpful to know. And if there is going to be a lot of backlogs, I would suggest go through the visa course, because I think you will have a much better picture around how to represent yourself in those situations.